noticed this is one of the newer tri-tunes that we have here, and the paint is peeling off, it's chipping off, there's a lot of rust on it, and all of the new tri-tunes look like that. I do recommend that over the winter, when they're not really in use, to definitely try and get new paint on them, and make sure that they're paint that works with tri-tunes, because some of this paint out here doesn't, just because they're metal. Thank you for choosing DS Dive.